就像这样。Excuse me. You've heard my sound of sneezing. Excuse me. I was fine before, like, dinner time. It was fine. Excuse me. Talk to him. Excuse me. Maybe I should do editing, highlight, cut all the part where I had leaky nose on cam, you said.
Why not enjoy some warm milk instead?
Did I sneeze today? I think I did, right? Allergic to streaming. Excuse me. Yes, subscribing helps me feel better. Thank you.
Day I would see it on.
Да, так, это еще не все. Чем еще мы можем считать? Волосы.
Excuse me. Sneeze.
My God, I'm still sneezing. It's past. No. Yes. And then when
I have literally been sick all week. I just can't stop sneezing.
Salute, baby.
Okay, get on. Bless you. Dude. Bless you.
And that.
And boogers came out.
I'll always love you. This is just the beginning.
Fantastic sparkling wine. That's really punch by the way. Bless you.
Bless you.
Bless you. Never heard. Fuck. Study for. It runs the family. It's. Fuck her is. You know what I mean? Fuck her. Oh, God bless you. That in 2 seconds. You always do that. It's so evil. Baby girl. You know.
Knock it off.
Bless you.
Oh, I'm so sick.
Brianna, is that the kid? Want the soup?
Ah, fuck, grate my hair.
I didn't want to know what the worst thing was. I'm about to kill you. Bless you. Okay.
Oh.
That's you. Want some soup? No.
Okay.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
Thank you. Thank you. Bless you. Dude, just have my soup. Okay? Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I think
Doing kind of like we did at your engagement party, like hold her up and we'll do something. Just
I got it.